How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? This is Anthony with Pipes. I came in Home Depot. Well, I'm stopping by a few Home Depots today. And I'm just going to help local shoppers in the plumbing department with any of their plumbing questions and needs. And of course, I had to stop by the Milwaukee Tools section in here because you guys know I'm all about Milwaukee. So I trust Milwaukee. You know? Milwaukee never lets me down. They have so many tool varieties, and I got a nice setup with them. But yeah, that's what I came here today for. Just give a helping hand to a few local shoppers in Home Depot. And I'm going to be dropping a few tips today. Talking about my experiences, things that my clients and customers have been asking me about. So stay tuned, like, follow, subscribe, and let's get into it.